To JAMB Mathematics Class. So this is going to be the second video on arithmetic progression, right? So under what sequence? Now in the first video here, I introduced you what the n10 of an AP. So the n10 of an AP is what is t n equals to what a plus n minus 1 d, right? Now this one is what is the term, a is what, this one is the term, a is what is the first term, n is what is the n term, d is what is the common difference. And we solve a lot of problems in the first video. I will advise you to go check out the first video on this arithmetic progression, because this is the second video. And this second video here is going to involve what equations, solving unknown, right? A and what d, solving what the first term and what common difference. So we have to analyze the question, and I want to show you, teach you step by step how to solve this set of question. So I will write this place out so I can see space here. They see that. So let's take first. Here we have question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. We have to dissect each of this question. So see that if the sum of the 8th term and the 9th term of an arithmetic progression is 72, and the 4th term is what is minus 6. Find the common difference. Just now. So now, therefore, let's analyze the question. You can see that the 8th term, the sum. What about sum? Sum means what? Addition. So the sum of what the 8th term and the 9th term is what? Is 72. That states what that statement means. It simply means what? The 8th term plus the 9th term is equal to what? 72. Is okay? That is mean. So the sum of the 8th term and 9th term is what? Is 72. And the fourth term, you see that the fourth term is what? Is minus 6. So find the common difference. It's okay. Find the common difference. So this statement is this statement here. So how do we find the common difference here? Look at something here. Remember, Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1, a plus n minus 1 d, right? So now let's get for what? For the 8th term. So if for the 8th term, T8, it means that my n equals to what? Is 8, right? That is me. Do you understand? So we're going to be what? A plus 8 minus 1 d, right? That is the meaning for the 8th term, right? So it's going to be what? T8 equals to a plus 8 minus 1 is what? Is 7 times d is what? Times d is what? Is 7d. So that is what for the 8th to what? 10. We have to repeat the same thing for what? For the 9th term. So the 9th term here, t9 equals to what? A plus 9 minus 1 d, right? So what to be what? A plus 9 minus 1 8 times d, 8 to what? D. So my 9th term is this. It's okay. Now remember this, that the 8th term and the 9th term equals to what? 72, right? So remember, 8th term, if you check very well, let me just put on here. If you check very well, then when you sum two of them together, this guy is this, and this one is this, right? So going to be what? A plus 7d, right? A plus 7d plus a plus 8d equals to what? 72. Can you see that? Now this one is what? Is my 8th term. This one is what? Is my 9th term, right? So now let's evaluate it here. A plus a is 2a. So you have 2 what? A plus 7d plus 8d is what? 15d equals to what? 72. So this one is my first equation. We are going to keep it here. It's okay. We are keeping this guy here. Now remember my 4th term. This is our 4th term because of minus 6, right? So if you should apply this one here, it's going to be T4 equals to what? A plus 4 minus 1 d equals to what? Minus 6, right? That is me. Do you understand? So we're going to be a plus 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3 times d is what? Is 3d equals to minus 6. Now this is going to be, so this is going to be my equation 1. Here what is my equation what? 2. Is okay. Now this way I'm going to solve simultaneous equation. So I'll bring two of them together. So let me just divide this one here. So I'll bring two of them together. It's going to be 2a plus 15d equals to what? 72, right? Here we now have a plus 3d equals to what? Minus 6. Now remember, we have to use elimination method. Remember, it says we will find the common difference. This is the common difference here, right? So we look for a way to eliminate a. Once we eliminate a, what will happen here? We can find d, right? So how do we eliminate a? Here is already 2. I'll make it to be 2. It's okay. If I want to make it to be 2, I'll multiply the whole of this one to be 2. Can you see that? So it will be 2 times this because I want this to be the same, so that the two can cancel out. Do you understand? So I'm going to say multiply equation 2 by 2. It's okay. What happened is going to be 2a plus. Remember, there's one here, right? 2 times a is what? 2a. 2 times 3 is what? Is 6d equals to what? 2 times 6 is what? Minus 12, right? So this one now. So this one I'll transfer to this one here, right? What happened? We have now bring the two of them together. So here we have 2a plus 15d equals to what? 72. Here we have what? 2a plus 6d equals to what? Minus 12. What happened here? We are going to what? Subtract. It's okay. This minus this. So 2a minus 2a is what? Is 0 plus 6d minus 15. Right there. We have subtracted this from this here. So 6 minus 15 is what? Is minus 9. So here we have minus 9. So you have minus what? 9. Because minus 9d, right? Minus 9d. Because 6 minus 15 is what? Minus 9d here, right? So minus 12 minus 72. This that minus 12. So here we have. We are going to okay, let me write this place here. So here we have minus 12. Remember, there's minus here. Minus 72 is okay. So minus 12 minus 72 is what? 84. So you have 8 minus what? Minus 84. Minus 84, right? Minus 84. So let me write this piece out. Minus what? Minus 84. So it's going to be what? Minus 9d equals to what? Minus 84. So make it this formula here. D equals to what? Minus 84 over what? Minus 9. Right? So divide by minus 9. 9.3. 9.3. So here we have 9.3. Let me confirm. So here we are, D equals to what? 9.33. Answer. It's okay. That is the answer. So if you convert to fraction, you're going to be D equals to what? 9 1 over 3. That is it. That is the answer here. So that is it for the first one here. You can see that it's very easy. Now, but the second one is a little bit complex. It's also the same thing, but let's solve it together. Right? Question 2. They say that the fourth term of an AP is 13. Why the third term is what? Third term is what? Is 31. Find the 21st term. So let's evaluate this one here. The second question. Let's have the second question here. They say that the fourth term of an AP is what? Is 13. Why the third term is what? Is 31. Find the first term. So now they say that the fourth term is what? Is 13, right? And the third term is what? Is 31, right? They say find. Then ask here, what is what? Is it what? 12? No, the 21st term. It's okay. Now, how do we evaluate this here? How do we solve this problem? How do you solve this problem here? Now, for you to be able to get this one here, remember, Tn equals to what? A, right? Plus n minus 1 d. Now, for me to be able to find the word the 21st term here, I need to know my first term and what my common difference. Do you understand? So once I know my first and my common difference here, I can use what? So the value here, I say T21 equals to A plus 21 minus 1 D, right? So how do we now get our first term and what the common difference? How do we solve it here? We have to make use of this one here. So I'll wipe space out first. So now remember Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1, right? D. So for the fourth term, we have fourth term equals to, right? Here we now have what? A plus 4 minus 1 d equals to what? 13. Can you see that? 13. So if you break it down here, we have A plus 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. So it will be 3 what? D equals to what? 13. Is okay. So D what is my first what equation here, right? My first equation. A plus 3d equals to what? 13, right? You are still going to do the same thing for this other one here. So you have the third term equals to what? A plus 10 minus 1 d equals to what? It's equals to what? 31. Can you see that? So we're going to be what? 10 minus 1 is what? Is 9 times d is what? 9d. So it's going to be A plus 9d equals to what? 31. So here going to be what my second what equation here. So I'm going to solve simultaneous equation, right? So I'm going to bring the two of them down. I'm going to bring two of them down here. So you have A plus 3d equals to what? 13. And here we have A plus 9d equals to what? 31. It's okay. Now we can eliminate one out here. Because here we have two unknown. Two unknown are what? Are A, first term, and D, right? From this place here, we can eliminate 1. So we can A minus A is what? Is 0 here, right? 9 minus 3 is what? Is 6. So it will be 6D. 6D. So it will be 6D equals to 31 minus 13. Here we have what? 18. It's okay. So now let's look for D. So if we can look for D here, so 6D equals to what? 6D equals to what? 18. So making D solve formula here, D equals to what? 18 over what? 6. So 18 divided by 6 here we have what? 3. It's okay. So that my common difference is what? Is 3. So my D equals to what? 3. Right? Now after I got to my D, the next thing to look for is my A. Just so I can either use this guy or this one here. I can use any of this one here. So let me use this one here to calculate what my A. When I say calculating what A, right? So it's going to be what? A plus 3D equals to what? 13. Understand that anyone, I can use anyone. I'll still get what my right answer. Just and I can use anyone. So remember my D is already equals to 3 here. So if you put there, so it will be A plus 3 times 3 equals to what? 13, right? A plus 9 equals to what? 13. Can you see this other side here? A equals to what? 13 minus 9. 9 is equals to what? 4. Can you see that? So my A is equals to what? 4. Then my D is equals to what? 3. Can you see that? Now from here now, remember what is the question again? The question says what? Find what the 21st term, right? So from here now, you can now easily get what my 21st term. So remember, Tn equals to what? A plus n minus 1 d, right? So my 21st term here equals to what? My A is what? Is 4 plus my n. What is my n? My n is what? Is 21. 21 minus 1. Then my d, what is my d? 3. It's okay. So here we have T21 equals to 4 plus 21 minus 1 is what? Is 20 times 3, right? So we have T21 equals to what? 4 plus. Here we have 60. Here we have what? 21 equals to what? 64. That is the word answer. Do you understand? As easy as that. So we have done this one here. We have done this one here. So let me do a question what 3. You'll be the one to solve question for yourself, right? You'll be the one to solve question for yourself. So let's look at our question 3. Question 3 is a little bit complex here. They say that the third term of an AP is this. And the ninth term is what is 10s minus 8y. Find the common difference. It's also the same thing we have been doing. You know that here we have 4x minus 2y, and here we have 10x minus 8y. It's the same thing. So the third term is equals to what? Is equals to 4x minus what? 2y. Is okay. And the ninth term, right? The ninth term equals to what? 10x minus what? Minus 8y, right? They say we can calculate with common difference, right? Calculate D. Now remember, Tn is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 d, right? So now let me look at it. So T3 is equal to what? A plus 3 minus 1 d equals to what? 4x minus 2y. Break it down. Here we have 3 minus 1 is what? Is 2 times d, 2d. So it will be a plus 2d equals to what? 4x minus 2y. So here we have what? The first one. Do you understand? Here we have the first one. You are still going to do the same thing here. T9 equals to what? A plus 9 minus 1 d equals to what? 10x minus what? 8y. Right? So what are you going to do here? A plus 8d equals to what? 10x minus 8y. Here we have this one here. So here we have the question 1, here we have what? Question 2. So what are you going to do here? Solve simultaneous equation. You have to solve simultaneous equation here. So we're going to be a plus 2d equals to what? 4x minus what? 2y. Is okay. And here we have a plus 8d equals to what? 10x minus what? 8y. Is okay. We want to subtract. It's the same thing we have been doing minus. These two are the same here, right? So a and a will go out. So we're going to be 8d minus what? 2d. What is the answer? 8d minus 2d. What is the answer? 8 minus 2 is 6. So it will be 6d equals to, right? 10x minus 4 is what? Is 6 what? Is 6s minus 8y minus 2. Here we have what? 6y. Is right? What up here? 6 can go into everything here. You can break down to the lowest term. So 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. So you have this cancel this here, this cancel this cancel this. So d equals what? X minus y. This is the answer. It's okay. So pause the video and try some for me. Now the next step is going to be the sum of an AP. That is going to be the next one, right? See you in my next video.